1050, 1050. Heads up!
On March 11, 2024, Fayette County deputies spotted a silver Honda Civic carjacked at gunpoint earlier that morning. Investigator Fisher moved in, coordinating with backup as officers prepared for a felony stop. Behind the wheel, a 14-year-old, ready to put his GTA stunts to a real-world test.
Right on, Rama. Just going right. 1050 Oakley. 1050, 1050. Continue straight, he hit the stop sign. Passing Hopeton Terrace. Someone stay at the entrance who's going to try to come back around. $10.50, $10.50 at the end of the street. It's going through a yard, coming back out. 46, move out. We're almost back to the entrance. 1050.
With the vehicle being immobilized, the suspect made desperate last move. He stepped out with gun in hand only to surrender, realize he's being surrounded.
Show me your hands! Hands up! Put your hands up! Get on the ground! Drop the gun! Drop it! Hands up! Get down! Get on the ground! Get away from that gun! Put your hands up!
The 14-year-old faces charges includes theft by receiving, fleeing, and multiple firearm charges, with additional warrants out of DeKalb County.